Hey everybody, Stephen Sitkowski here, leading educator on how to trade the financial markets. So in this lesson, I want to share with you how to be able to evaluate, in this case, BP, the oil company. I know all of you have probably given them plenty of your money. Maybe it's about time that BP returns the favor. So we're going to look at a chart on BP. I'm going to tell you why I think now may be a good time for you to be able to buy it. And we'll see what the benefits and the payoffs are. So let's go to work. All right, let me pull up the chart on BP. I'm going to put it into my software. And let's make this a little bit easier for everybody to see. Okay. So here's our chart. And you may look at this and go, holy cow, why would you be looking at BP? BP has definitely been in a negative trend. Absolutely, positively correct. Now, let's dig a little deeper. So BP over in April was trading for 45. Now it's at 37. So as energy prices have come down, the value of BP stock has come down. But if we were to look at some of our indicators, okay, going down here to the very bottom, this is called a stochastic, which is a momentum indicator. You can see that we got a green dart right here, showing that short-term momentum is now moving up. Then our MACD, that's moving up. And then we just crossed above our 30-day moving average. So from a technical standpoint, this is a chart that looks like it bottomed out and is now ready to go higher. And I think BP is now trading at a 2-year low. Well, what about the fundamentals? So BP is growing its sales 2.7% a year. It's growing its net income 8.55% per year. They're supposed to continue to grow profits at about 10% a year over the next 5 years. And I look at that and go, Then I go to the dashboard, and this is where it starts to get really interesting. So if we were to look at the PE ratio on BP, that's the price to earnings ratio. Right now, the PE on the S&P 500 is around 22. The PE on BP is only at 11. Furthermore, if I look at the PEG, so that is the price to earnings ratio divided by its forecasted growth rate, anything less than 2 is considered pretty darn conservative. It's at 1.17, meaning a lot of bang for the buck. And for those of you who are interested in dividends, BP has a current dividend of $2.46 annualized, gets paid out quarterly. That is a cash-on-cash return of 6.66%. Wow. That's pretty darn good, right? When the bank's paying an interest rate of what? About 0 or 0.5%? So when it comes to BP, I sort of look at this as trading near a low, looks like it's hit bottom, starting to move up, and I love the fundamentals on the company. You put all of that together, I think the timing is right. Right now, BP is a pretty cheap stock. Now, you might be wondering, well, should I buy the stock or should I buy the options? To me, this is a stock play. I'm not expecting it to skyrocket near term. I'd be in it for the dividend. And then a little bit down the road, maybe we can talk about selling covered calls against this position. So anyway, if it makes sense for your portfolio, you may want to give BP a consideration. I'm not here to give investment advice. I know nothing about your personal circumstances, but it's something that hit my radar. I added it into my portfolio today. So want to share that with all of you. Till next time, God bless. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye for now.